and welcome to Ready Set Demo. One of the fun things about doing paper pumpkin is you get all sorts of goodies, and you sometimes have some leftovers depending if you change out your cards. Now I've done that, I've changed some of the designs, and there's a whole other video where I will show you 9 different designs that you can make with this paper pumpkin. This one's called Sparkling Celebrations, and it's May 26. So have a little look and see those other designs. But when I'd finished with all my fancy designs, I had a rather fun piece left over. I had a window piece, just the front window piece. And so I thought I would show you what I made. Now this is totally a just for fun, just for me project, but I thought you might like it. In the past, one of my absolute favourite bundles, which I have kept, is Welcoming Windows. Now this is a really fun bundle anyway, and if you have this, I have a whole class for Welcoming Windows, and you can find that at Ready Set Demo. So do go and check that out. I'll put a link down below so that you can find it. But I thought I would get these goodies back out again and have a play with this kind of pre-made window. I kept it really simple, so I could have got my my little craft knife out and cut a piece of window sheet that fit these 2 windows, and so made this window an opener. Now that could be done with a nice steady hand, you could do that, but I decided just to put window sheet behind the whole thing, and I secured that with some tape just so that we get that window effect. And then I've used various things, so I've got my jug and my flowers and stamped those, my little flower pots as well, and put those on the inside. On the outside, I have used the bricks from here and stamped some bricks around. And from the dies, I took the little hinge pieces and put those on there as well. I die cut those on some with some adhesive sheet on the back, because it makes them a lot easier to handle. So I popped those on there. This was also left over, the piece of cardstock that forms a windowsill. So I used some blending brushes and coloured that with the Misty Moonlight so that it all coordinated, and just, and then just drew a couple of lines on to give a bit of definition. The little books, and I know if I was inside this house, I'd have the fronts of the books showing, not the backs of the books, but I just wanted my little books in there. So those are from For the Books. I've done that little piece there. So I just thought it was a fun card. I've just literally put it onto the front of a card, and done my little bits of colouring and die cutting in there. But just to show you, you can take leftover pieces and do all sorts of fun things. So this is the original card, also absolutely beautiful, but I did have so much fun making this one. So I hope you like that, and it's giving you a bit of inspiration when you're using your paper pumpkin goodies. Don't forget to look at your stash and see what you've got hiding in the cupboard that would like to come out and play again. So thanks for visiting Ready Set Demo today. Make sure you're signed up for my newsletter, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.